Hello guys, this is Bharat and I welcome you all to this session in which I'm going to tell you about difference between lambda function and traditional function in Python. In our last session, we learned about what is a lambda function, how it works, how to create a lambda function, where to use lambda function. So without wasting time, let's get started. And I suggest you to subscribe to this channel for latest videos and updates. First of all, let's see traditional function versus lambda function. Let's see what are the difference between them. So traditional function, they can have multiple expression statements in their body. We have multiple statements, or we can say a bunch of statements are available in traditional function. But in lambda function, we just have a single expression of their body. We cannot write a bunch of statements in lambda function. In traditional function, the default values for the parameters can be assigned, but in lambda function we cannot assign the default values into our program. A normal function can return an object of any type. While creating a traditional function, we can return any type of object, but a lambda function always returns a function object. A traditional function takes more time for execution as compared to lambda functions, and a lambda function takes relatively less time. A traditional function requires more line of code, but a lambda function, it requires a maximum of 2 lines of code to define and call a lambda function. So this is the difference between a lambda function and a traditional function. Thank you for your attention, and I suggest you to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more latest videos and updates.